Dead bug explained. The purpose of the dead bug is to set up two options for us in our program. One, to solidify a strong foundation for a core position that we can then build secondary exercises off of, or use our base position for warm-up exercises. And second, for coordination and mind connection to the body exercises. So let me give you a demonstration of a couple of these examples and talk through the basic setup so that we can transfer that basic foundation exercise into more complex exercises. Okay, so here's the idea. When we lay on our back, okay, we naturally have a curve in our lower spine. To really activate and control the lower abdominals in our core, we need to depress the curve into the floor. And this is what that looks like now. Check out, in this area of my body, I'm gonna tilt my pelvis a bit and I'm gonna roll my lower spine down into the floor. When we do this, we should feel our core muscles tightening up. That is the setup before we raise our arms and our legs. Secondary position, arms and legs are up, just like a dead bug laying on its back. Again, when we pick our legs up, we need to make sure that that lower portion of our spine is still on the floor. So at this point, I have contact from my head all the way down my spine to my tailbone. Variations that we may see: head and shoulders elevated, movement, alternating limbs, or total body opening, closing. We may see the head down with movement. We may see all different types of combination movements with just our legs, where just one leg goes at a time, or both legs go at the same time, or we do more of a straight leg position. Straight leg raise, one leg raise. There's all of these different variations, but they're all built off of the spine being in contact with the floor, making sure that the lower back stays flat. Again, different options you may see in your program. We may hold things in our hands. We may put bands around our feet. But if you see the name dead bug, it's telling you you're on your back with your arms and your legs elevated in the air, and your entire spine, especially the lower portion of your spine, needs to be flat on the floor. So if you have a rep range of an exercise, or you have an amount of time you're expected to hold that position, and you start to feel your lower back rise off the floor, you're losing your position. The quality of your exercise is starting to diminish. At that point, I would encourage you to take a short break, reposition your body after some rest, and then continue on with the set. It's okay for an exercise to be broken instead of finished with poor quality. All right, dead bug explained.